Hi all, welcome to another video. We started our journey at Hahndorf, a beautiful German village in South Australia. Just a short drive from Adelaide. Hahndorf is specially beautiful in autumn, where the streets are covered in shades of red, orange, and gold. The German village has German-style buildings, boutiques, shops, bakeries, wineries, art galleries, museums, cozy cafes and restaurants. As you walk along, you can see beautiful paintings on both sides of the road. As you walk through the museum, you'll discover the history, art, and culture come together beautifully. We stopped by a chocolate shop filled with delicious, locally made South Australian chocolates. From creamy chocolates to homemade fudge and classic lollies, every corner is filled with treats and sweet aromas that make it hard to leave without a bag full of goodies. Hahndorf is truly a paradise for chocolate lovers and shop explorers. As you stroll along the charming main street, you'll find yourself surrounded by delightful little stores filled with sweet treats, handmade goodies, and unique souvenirs. After a quick break, we walked into a lovely restaurant called Haus, where we had delicious pizza and fries. You can choose to dine indoors for a cozy feel or relax outside in the beautiful terrace or garden area, especially perfect on sunny days. If you love collecting souvenirs, you can find variety of unique ones in the shops. We are heading to the Beerenberg Farm next. Beerenberg is one of the most popular stops in Adelaide. It's more than just a farm. You can grab a basket and pick your own strawberries. The strawberries were incredibly juicy and delicious. The best part is that you can enjoy them while picking. It's a really fun outdoor activity, usually available from around November to April. Farm shop has huge range of jams, chutneys, relishes and sauces. Farm Cafe has great food such as sweets, savories, house-made ice cream and gelato. My favorite is brownie with cream and strawberries. It was a lovely day out at Hahndorf and we are heading back home. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you in another video.